welcome to my video. Today I'm going to make a cherry jam that is using freshly picked cherries. Hope you watched my cherry picking experience video. These are the cherries we picked that day, and I'm going to use some of the berries. So I have taken a ball of cherries and half a bowl of sugar. So I have taken raw sugar. You can even use white sugar. And we need 2 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon juice. Today I'm using lemon juice. Yeah, those are the ingredients we need. Let's see how to make it. Right, so the first step of jam making is we need to pick the cherries. Simply remove the seed inside and put it into a separate bowl like this. It's a bit of time consuming, but we need to do that patiently. Sorry, I forgot to mention in the beginning. The fruit and sugar ratio is 2 to 1. 2 fruit, 1 sugar. So I have taken 1 ball of cherries and half a ball of sugar. So that's the ratio, 2 to 1. In my cherry picking video, I mentioned that there are various types of cherries. So these are the ones we picked. So those are sweet cherries. There are sour ones as well. I have picked all the cherries. Now we need to cook this along with the sugar. So I'll squeeze some lemon juice first. Take about 50 ml of lemon juice. Now I'm going to add the cherries into the cooking pan. And now I'm adding sugar. So these 2 tablespoons of lemon juice we'll add later. So we need to cook this on low heat for 20 minutes, and then we'll mix the lemon juice into that. Okay. We need to cook this for 20 minutes on low heat. So I'm going to put it to 5 in my stove. So this may vary from stove to stove. It depends on your stove what you are using, and yeah, just let it cook for 20 minutes and we'll come back. Now you can see the consistency after 20 minutes. At this stage, now I'm going to add the lemon juice. And then cook for another 15 minutes. Until this is getting thickened. Altogether it took 50 minutes for me to cook this. Now after 50 minutes our cherry jam has turned out perfect. This is the consistency we need, and now I can remove this from the heat. remove from the heat and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then we can transfer this into the jar. Now I'm going to transfer this into a Pyrex jug. And let it cool for 15 minutes. So this is the perfect consistency. It has started getting set. It looks a bit running now, but it will get set. Close the lid, flip it upside down and keep for 10 minutes. Our cherry jam is ready. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Just 3 ingredients. I hope you can try it. Thank you for watching my video. This is our jam after an overnight. And now we can enjoy with a piece of bread. It has the perfect texture.